Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important Java entry question. Can you make an instance of an abstract class? No, you cannot make an instance of an abstract class. An abstract class has to be subclassed. If you have an abstract class and you want to use a method which has been implemented, you may need to subclass that abstract class. Instantiate the subclass and then call that method. For example, I have an abstract class. Okay, it has its own methods and it has an abstract method which does not have any body. That means it is expecting the subclass to give a method for this, body for this. So when I try to directly instantiate an abstract class, it will give an error. Compiler will give an error. Cannot instantiate the type abstract class. But we have a subclass which is extending the abstract class, and it has to give the body for this method signature that is expected, otherwise it will give an error. I will just explain you. So I didn't have a method here for this signature. So what does this mean? This is a subclass which is extending an abstract class. That means you are having a contract. Whatever abstract methods available in the abstract class, I will be implementing. So since I don't have any body, the compiler is crying. So it will give a suggestion. So it says, boss, you have to give an implementation for the abstract methods. So you can never instantiate an abstract class, but you can instantiate a subclass which is extending from the abstract class. Let me explain. In the real world scenario, so for example, account, you will be having an account, but there is no exactly an object called account in the real world. You will be having either savings account or current account. What exactly happening here is there are common behaviors between savings account and current account. So we are moving those common behavior to the account class so that I can avoid code duplication. I can reuse the code. And one more advantage is I can practice programming to an interface and not to an implementation. So savings account and current account has their own specific behaviors, like current balance for current account balance should be minimum $10,000 and savings account minimum $3,000. So what happens is we are pushing the specific code to the specific classes, and we are pushing the common code to the abstract class. So you can't instantiate this abstract class because there is a dependency between these two. So we can instantiate these concrete classes, we can never instantiate abstract classes. So advantage is I can create like this: account is equal to new savings account. I can push this object here and I can have a method like this. This is called programming to an interface. This is not coupled to, this method is not coupled to any of the specific classes. I can push savings account here, I can push current account here. In future releases, if you have more accounts, say a different account, okay, so you can push such objects also. So this is the advantage of using abstract class. You can practice programming to an interface and not to an implementation. So this is the benefit of using abstract class, and you can't instantiate it. If you want to use the abstract class methods, you have to extend from that class, create a subclass and create a subclass object and call the methods. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.